Welcome back to Beautyistic. Today, we're diving into the Massage Salon Tattoo Chair, a versatile multi-purpose piece designed for professionals in beauty, tattoo, and therapy spaces. Whether you're looking for a new treatment chair for your salon, barbershop, or spa, or perhaps for your home studio, this chair promises to offer some serious comfort and functionality. Let's take a closer look at this product. The Massage Salon Tattoo Chair comes with a 3-section bed design, offering the flexibility to function as a full-body massage bed, facial chair, or tattoo chair, all in one. The chair is fully adjustable, allowing for various reclining positions to accommodate different services. It's covered in waterproof and oil-proof PU leather, which ensures durability and easy maintenance. Plus, it's paired with a hydraulic stool and 2 trays for added convenience. One of the key selling points of this chair is its easy assembly. No tools are needed. Everything comes together quickly, which is a huge time saver, especially if you're working in a busy environment. You simply follow the included manual and you're good to go. In terms of design, this chair is built for comfort. The removable head cushion can be adjusted to create a facial cradle for clients who need to lie face down, and the armrests are also removable for added space and flexibility. The stool that comes with the chair is 360-degree swivel and fully adjustable, providing maximum comfort while you're working with clients. Now let's talk about real-world use. From my experience, setting up the chair was incredibly straightforward. Within minutes, I had it assembled without any hassle. I immediately noticed how sturdy and well-built the chair felt. There's a definite sense of durability when you sit in it. The high-density foam mattress is thick and supportive, which is perfect for extended use. Whether you're performing massages, facials, or tattoos, this chair adapts well to each service. During testing, I appreciated how easily the chair adjusted into various positions. Whether leaning back for a facial or reclining for a tattoo, the flexibility is great. The only downside I found was that for taller clients, the adjustable headrest could be a bit limiting, but that's a minor issue when you consider the overall functionality. The faux leather material is comfortable to the touch and is simple to clean, which is a must-have when you're in the beauty or tattoo business. Pros? The chair is incredibly versatile, adjustable to suit different treatments, and offers great comfort for both clients and professionals. The sturdy construction and luxurious foam mattress provide a solid foundation, and the waterproof leather is a huge plus. It's also easy to assemble, which is always a win in my book. On the flip side, the chair does have some limitations in terms of size for taller clients. The lack of extra features like heated elements or advanced cushioning may be a deal breaker for some, but for its price point, it does the job well. Now, when it comes to value for money, the Massage Salon Tattoo Chair offers solid value, especially considering its durability and multifunctionality. It's priced reasonably for what it offers, and with the added stool and trays, it's hard to beat. You might find chairs at a lower price point, but they often lack the adjustability and build quality that this one provides. If you're looking for similar options, you might find chairs that focus more on specific functions like massage or tattoo use. But few come with this level of versatility at this price. Brands offering these features tend to charge more, so in comparison, this one holds up quite well. As for build quality, the metal frame is rock solid. It can hold up to 330 pounds, and the reinforced corners are built for regular use. This is a chair that's designed to last through heavy, everyday use, making it an excellent investment for professionals. I haven't had the chance to interact directly with customer service, but based on the reputation of the brand, I would expect prompt responses to any inquiries or issues. In terms of product updates, there's no mention of any recent changes, but considering the features and durability, I wouldn't anticipate any drastic reformulations. If you're looking for something with a lower price tag but similar features, you might find a simpler version of this chair that lacks the 360-degree stool or adjustable armrests. However, for professionals looking for a durable, multifunctional chair, this one offers excellent value. In summary, the Massage Salon Tattoo Chair is a great addition for anyone in the beauty or tattoo industry. It's easy to assemble, adjustable, and provides long-lasting comfort for both the user and the client. While there are some minor downsides, it's a solid, versatile option at an accessible price point. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.